I'll be driving today our R32 Pink Skyline. It is the only one of our cars that are still working after Drift Fest. The last time I did drive in Japan, I may have backed it into the wall when it was raining. Yeah, we'll see how we go. Let's see how we go.
It's back to school time.
I feel like the teacher's texting at the front.
Let's try.
What's up, guys?
Day off.
Tools on the day off.
Big day off, guy.
Jason very nice in my car.
Change my tires. Change my tires.
Take it back. Gotta fix this. Take the curse off. Curse this.
Ah,
No, dude.
Ripper. Her car.
Alrighty, Monday morning and I'm in the factory all by myself. Luckily, I got the 34 to keep me company. Today we are going to be putting the new sump on. Well, they're not so new. The old 32 sump. This sump is absolutely killer. The baffling in it is amazing. I've got a bit of an issue. I don't want to pull this gearbox out and I can't get all the silicon. Let's try it. Bit of TJ ingenuity. All right, that works just about as well as I thought it would. All nice and clean. We got some parts from the 33 that are gonna be going on the 34 to make it extra spicy while the 33 is out of commission. And then I am straight onto that bad boy over there. Anyway, that's later on in this video, later on this week. Let's keep going with 34.
When I was driving, I'd find that I'd have spaghetti hands, but this time I'm trying to just focus on having my hands down this section and just feeding it through and letting the wheel kind of like slip through. Whereas before, they're all kind of like all over the shop. It's workplace harassment. Get off Brandon.
First lap?
Yeah, I looped it down there.
I don't know what you're talking about. Was it on camera? No, so it
happen.
didn't happen. I don't know what you're talking about.
They've changed the gearbox since I've driven it.
Oh,
So
yeah.
I'm like, do I now enter this in first gear? Because Josh is like, it's got a really long first gear. Because I couldn't get it skidding in second gear over there, which is usually
Oh,
where it would
really?
be skidding in.
Interesting. Yeah.
So
Oh, you'll be fine. Have fun. First lap, here we go. Oh, not bad. That's the one.
Smoke?
You smoke?
Oh, no.
My chair.
well, after much struggle on the main track, finally got it. Not bad. Got my tire changing, man.
Barbecue time, Gary.
Barbecue time.
Oh, Tom, what's taking so long, man?
Shit, barbecue.
How's the barbecue?
Oh, yeah. Could be a little bit hotter, you know.
Oh my god.
Alright, my day has retired. Jason asked me when I'm going to retire and then came clean and said because he wanted to drive. Feeling pretty good. Car was feeling really good. No problems. I think we only went through, what, not even 2 sets of tires?
You did well. I'm proud of my girl.
Oh, that's nice. Yeah, it was really good. I've definitely felt like big progression over the day, and I'm keen to come back and do the next one.
The next day.
Couple of cute boys. Oh, ass.
It's hot in here.
This is the new giveaway car.
Fresh delivery.
Yeah, beautiful, slammed. As of right now. I don't know anything about this.
On its guts.
That's a beautiful ride.
Gets.
That is so slammed.
My
Holy.
favourite part so far.
Yeah,
Favourite part
what's your
so
favourite
far?
part? Oh wow, that interior. That's mad. Oh wow.
So good.
Wow.
Brides also probably actually my favourite part. But
Ding. Daft, no, Corey's special.
Corey's what? What's that
Reminds
called?
me of one of Corey's novices.
Okay.
Milled.
just did a little bit of tidying on some wires on the battery. It's always nice. Make it look pretty.
225, 35. Rubber band us. You have to. And a little S chassis.
So apparently this car was going to Black Label,
Stole it.
and we
Still take it.
Yeah, true.
You
we
take
can take it.
Take it.
Yeah. I mean, this is a Black Label ready car, and Jay stole it.
Sure.
Why not?
Wait, what?
What?
For you could win.
So how's the gearbox?
Not the
let's
not the gears that drive.
Let's have a quick look.
over this way.
Look at that. Look at that.
Would you look at that? All right,
Look
so
at that.
this is the dog ring, and then these are all teeth here that engage
Yeah, they're done.
with that. And now we've got quite a lot of wear on there, and not quite as much on here, but on some of the other gears we've also got a bit of wear.
It's a little bit different
In
style than
here.
like a G-force, but that is supposed to be like
Yeah.
a dog ring.
And then boom, and then that one goes boom, and they engage like that. But when people go boom, sometimes it'll it chips the teeth slightly.
But that's normal.
But that's all normal. It's
Pretty
just-
normal. I mean, it's definitely not ideal, but
It's not
it's
ideal,
gonna shift it like
but
a
it
real
is
man.
usual wear and tear for these kinds of gearboxes.
The dog box you should be able to bang in anyway, so yeah, I'll just put it back in.
Avengers Assembled.
We're about to do a 1K giveaway because we're doing weekly 1K giveaways. If you remember, every week we're drawing a $1,000 cash winner, which is Kang. And it also puts you in every single one of our gangster giveaways, like this one, which is ending tonight. But otherwise, you'll be in every single other one that we're bringing out. We're trying to ramp it up to do a couple of giveaways every month, so 2 every month, plus the member draws. You can't go wrong. $5 every week, which is like 1 coffee every week. You can't go wrong. And yeah, support Keep It Reet, support men's mental health, and the therapy, which is drifting, and all the events that we do, which is 26 events a year. And we're also even opening up Keep It Reet Eastside Towing. So if you need a tow, you want James to come pick up your pride and joy, hit us up, get around it. Should be fairly priced. So yeah. Anyway, back to drawing this.
We're rehearsing. And I don't do this very often, so I've got the OG live stream music. Thank you, Artlist,
I mean,
for
we're not
7
even-
songs that
hold
we
on.
absolutely.
We're not even sponsored by artists.
We put our heart and soul into the drift community,
Walk for mental health, I'm pretty sure.
and someone on the other side of that camera is crazy.
Oh.